go. We got our Shark IQ robot with self-emptying bin. Oops, sorry. So there's a lot of unboxings and stuff, I know, but we just wanted to kind of show off. We actually ordered this directly through Shark. Everybody else was $100 more. We paid the same price and got a lifetime VIP warranty with it. Nope. There you go. The wife's gonna unbox. So what is, show up? So that's the quick start guide, how to get everything set up. This is part of the base. And this is, I don't know why they call it a robot. It's not really a robot. So on this one, it has a camera instead of a instead of a IR sensor. This is your bump detection. Alright, swing it around. There also should be a few like IR sensors here, so it doesn't actually hit. Go and peel it off.
You can also use this as a
selfie camera. It says peel here.
Why are we peeling it off? All of it?
Yeah, you gotta peel it all off.
What if we have to return it?
Then it's different since we got the VIP.
We got the VIP?
Yeah, we got the VIP. Let's see what else is in the box. So, cord, and then the self-emptying bin.
You have to buy something put inside to empty it.
No, it comes like that, and I'll show
Oh,
you.
it's small. What is that?
That is the magnetic strip. So if you need to make an area where you don't want it to go into, then you put this up and it won't.
Oh, amazing!
Amazing! Oh, it's gonna fall.
You know, after the cricket, this is the second thing that I am more excited about.
Really? That's why I was.
Because I don't have to sweep.
You're still gonna have to sweep from time to time, but it'll reduce. So put it down right here.
Where are we going to put it?
So see, you push this button, it comes up, right? And then see this little tab right here, baby? So it's supposed to drop, I guess, because there's no.
It's here.
No, it's right here. See?
Oh.
And then it drops out, so you don't have to worry about the. How's it set? No. You don't have to worry about bags. That's one reason why I wanted to get this. So we got everything set up. I had a couple issues connecting to the Wi-Fi on this, and but I finally got it. It's kind of disappointing. This only uses the 2.4 gigahertz band. It doesn't use the 5, which is kind of disappointing because the 5 is just a better signal, especially if you live in an apartment. 2 gigahertz is just way overcrowded. We got everything set up. It's ran probably, how many times have we run it now? About 5 times. So at first it was only going in and going in here. This carpet for some reason has been a very big issue for it. It keeps thinking that it's a cliff or something. I think it's because of the color, because you got, you know, the black in it, so it may think it's going off stairs. That's mostly what it was having issues with. It could also be because it's high pile, but it kept saying clean this stair sensors, fall sensors, I think they're called. So what we ended up doing is putting a strip here. I'm going to be talking to Shark and seeing if maybe it could be a combination of being a high pile plus the color of the carpet. I'll talk with them. But so far it's been doing fairly well. It's got stuck on the carpet mostly. And then it had an issue under here, but that was mostly because of debris and stuff. You got to make sure that you pick up like caps and paper clips and stuff, because that could mess up the roller and then it could end up getting caught underneath the bed or something. So that's one of my recommendations, is make sure you pick up all the little bitty stuff. I mean, hell, I didn't even know this was on the ground, and it found it, picked it up, and started having a little bit of issues. So, but so far it's been doing fairly well, and everything. I'll post a picture of what the map looks like so far, but you know, like I said, it's the 5th time and it's still mapping, and everything. One thing I would say with it is to make sure to try to keep everything in the same place as much as possible, because it can screw up its learning habits and screw up the map. I know it's hard sometimes, like your chairs, you know, it's hard to keep them in the same place, but for the most part everything does stay in the same place. It's actually done a lot better than what I thought it would underneath the bed, because it is a camera-based system. But I don't know if you can see the lines. It's came in here a couple times. At first it would only go to the other bedroom. It always goes left at first, and it went there like 3 times, and then now it started finally doing like the kitchen and all that. We keep our door close to the bathroom, simply because water possibilities. We have a bidet, and we've been having some issues with it kind of leaking here and there, so we don't want to risk that. And then with the whole issue of with the carpet, we're gonna move it around and try to see if we can get it to what do you call it, see if it'll work on this one, because this is kind of a high pile as well. So another recommendation I would say is sorry about my finger in the way. Another thing I would recommend is, you know, just if there's a certain areas that you don't want to go in, and you don't have, if you can have a door, just close it. That way it minimizes issues. Another thing is, for the first couple times, for at least the first 10 times, it's going to take 10 to 15 times for it to learn your whole layout, depending on how big your place is. Put it on the Eco in the app, and I'll go over the app and stuff, and there's some little stuff they kind of hid, which I think is ridiculous, and I'm going to talk to them. The auto empty, where it'll empty out and resume. I'm not exactly sure how to get it to do that yet. And then you have an option where it'll empty out on its own and resume where it left off, and then it has like a recharge and resume. But those are automatically just turned off from factory, which I think is stupid. Why would you not want those on? Why would you even have the option? But I don't know. So I'll probably have to talk to them and see how do I get it to just dock. How does it know when the thing's full? Because I had some issues, checked it, and the bin's full, and I'm like, okay, it's full, why isn't it not returning? So you know, there's little issues. They're not really well known, really big into the market yet. They've had, I think, 2 or 3 other robots that weren't that great. They were decent, but I'm okay with some of the issues simply because this was $500 with a lifetime warranty versus $1,300, $1,500 for something that I still have to use bags. This one's bagless, so that was one of the big things that brought, you know, I was like, okay, I'm gonna jump on this and make to do, simply because it's bagless, and if there's some issues with it, I'm okay, because it's a fourth of the price. Even on the i7 Plus, still uses bags, and it's still $1,000, so it's half the price on that one. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. It's just some of the app and some of the stuff that it does. I connected it to my Google so I can tell it to go. So it has its downsides, but it also has its benefits. But I'll do probably a separate video just for the app. It probably will be, a couple minutes. I don't want to put everything in one video, make it a long video. So anyway, if there's any questions, anything else like that, subscribe, comment, like. If you like videos like this, let me know. And thanks for watching. Do what inspires you. Thanks.